Hello, my name is Avery Wright. I am a senior undergraduate at Middle Tennessee State, and I will be graduating with my BBA in Information Systems with a minor in Business Administration.
Hi, my name is Chloe. I study Information System and Analytic with a concentration in Business Intelligence, and I'm a grad student in MTSU.
Hi, my name is Alexis Wiley. I graduated from MTSU with my master's degree in Information Systems Security and Assurance in 2023, and I also graduated with my bachelor's in Information Systems from MTSU in 2022.
I chose Information Systems as my major because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do after school, and I saw that Information Systems had a little bit of tech in it and a little bit of business, so it would give me leeway to actually branch out after I graduated.
The reason I picked Information System is because I come from a non-IT background. So when I picked my major in grad school, I'm thinking something that I can easily just go on to. So Information System, as it pays well, and also the requirements that I think it's intriguing. My favorite class that I'm taking so far is Dr. Morris' Database Design Development. So we basically learn basic of SQL, querying, and database diagram. It helps you to develop a basic knowledge of relational database.
My favorite class that I took while I was at MTSU was Information Systems 6301, Vulnerability Management and Penetration Testing. I had a great time in that class learning all about executing a penetration test actually on my own device and learning how threat actors can use pretty much any vulnerability to exploit a system. My favorite opportunity that Information Systems brought me was going on a study abroad while I was in grad school. I was able to attend the How Data Has Changed Organizations in Central Europe with Drs. Erskine and Seipel. In the summer of 2023, we were able to visit Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Poland, France, and I'm probably missing a couple. We went everywhere in Central Europe and we had an awesome time.
One of the opportunity that Information System has given me is the opportunity to be a graduate assistant. So now I'm working in computer lab with Carlos Coronel, one of our IT director, also the professor on campus. And what I did basically is providing IT support and sometimes building on project with College of Business. For me, I think it's a good hands-on exercise. It's also like a small internship where you put yourself into like real work and collaborating with your coworkers. So I think it's a really good hands-on skills.
Recently, I actually lined up a job with Amazon thanks to an interview for after I graduate. This starting role will start me at about $60,000, and I'll have plenty of benefits such as health and a 401k benefit.
I've been working for the last 6 months as an information systems auditor and a cybersecurity consultant. So that work involves completing audits on the internal and external side. It's super great to have something a little bit different to look forward to every day. I would absolutely recommend the MTSU Information Systems Department for a prospective student. There are so many great opportunities and wonderful resources, and personally the professors made such a huge difference for me while I was in both undergrad and grad school, and they've all stayed as wonderful resources to me in my postgrad life.
I would recommend this program for people who are more hands-on learners because a lot of our classes are more project-based as opposed to more lecture-based you will find in other degree programs. Advice that I would give to a freshman coming into information systems would be to get involved. Many of the professors will help you to get great opportunities as well as student organizations to help you get more involved with your peers and have a better time here at MTSU.
I think being curious and having the ability to self-taught and self-learn is important. So I would recommend that if people are ever interested in this program, constantly seeking out other sources, or there are a lot of platforms online and you can learn a lot more than that.
Grasp everything that you can and try to put that knowledge towards your ultimate goal.